All right, we'll do quest rogue here, since I feel like that's a good middle ground of being a decently good deck along with being fun and having a chance. The meme decks aren't working out. And here we go against Murloc Paladin. Here we go. Actually, this whole handle. Actually, I should probably dig for Flurry. Are the cards just Diet Zephyrus? Oh no. Is it Zephyrs or Zephyrus? I keep hearing both. I assume it's Zephyrs, but I don't know, honestly. I'll take a look at the spelling here in a hot second. Zephyrus the Great. No, because it's spelled like Zephyrus, or is that? I don't know. I would assume it would be like a Vris. Okay, he's Quest, so it's even worse. Hey, Geek, glad you enjoyed the new logo, my guy. I'm very happy with it. Yu-Gi-Oh! Protagonists are characters that dumped all of their stats on luck? Really, though? Really, really? It'd be like that.
Here we go.
Alright, it's decent. Decent. Pandanini with the 4 months. Thanks so much for the 4 months, my man. That is quite insane and nice of you, my dude. Thank you. Welcome back. I know, I had to craft the golden pharaoh cat. It's way too cute, and it just reminds me of Hagrid way too much. Way too much. Annoying. I actually might need the vendetta this. Oh, that's really good though. This is really good though too. This comes in handy now, or next turn, I should say. Hagatha's scheme could be a game saver, especially this early. Rapid fire does get my quest done though. It's only 2 out of 5. Let's try to go fast.
Here we go.
So I want to get greedy and bump it into there. Then we can just like twin spell it. It's fine. Okay, so we do this. Do this. We do. I'll actually least damage here. What am I at? 3? 4? Okay. Maybe I actually just get this out. I can just leave this up, I think. We'll leave it up.
Your presence offends me.
I don't think he's going to do a lot with this. It's spelled Zephyrs, like a gust of wind, which would make sense since he's like an air elemental. Oh, yeah, I guess so, eh? Okay, this is more annoying now. Three, 4, 5. Very cool. He gets that chain going. What do we get? 5. What's more valuable? I think another minion out on the board is more valuable right now instead of my weapon. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could also just go mostly face here too, which isn't a bad idea either, honestly. Maybe we do just do that. Maybe just blink rapid fire and go all face and just. If he has a mech boy though, that's going to be very annoying to deal with. And he would have to trade too. see what we get from this, I guess. Okay, that doesn't come well at all, but we will use it anyway.
Show some respect.
Go. Let's try that. A little bit. Just pressure to face. Hopefully he doesn't have a howdy, howdy, howdy boy. So no matter, even if he... Yeah, there it is. Okay. So that sucks. I was hoping he wouldn't have that. But such is life.
Your presence offends me.
That offends me too, my guy. It offends me too. So he's gonna have an endless... Ugh. Sure.
How much is this worth to you? Here we go.
Oh, I guess I could have...
Show some respect.
I was gonna trade into this anyway. Might as well get, actually, might as well get rid of Divine Shield. I think we're just gonna start wanting to play like our random cards. Oh boy, there's the whelp. Let's go. Awesome. Okay. I just want to cast the 2 secrets. Let's put our Dillo boy up. Or I could dig for something cool here, but I mean... Okay. Sure. And let's pray to God we can break through. Because Tessa's kind of our only hope here now. How's the climb going? We were playing a bit of meme decks for the first 2 hours, and it wasn't going good. Yeah, we lost. God, I hate this deck. It's so strong. It's alright. Ish. Granted, the fact that he has endless fucking supply of everything. There's Blade Flurry coming in hot. That's a lot of damage on board by Blade Flurry. That's a lot. In fact, too much. So, we go for it. Mercy Fooflish, thanks so much for the brand new sub, my man. It means a lot, my gamer friend. Thank you, thank you. Really does mean a lot, though. Thank you, my boy. Awesome. Those are the 2 targets I wanted. There we go. Appreciate it, my guy. Just get Plague of Death? I could. Then pray to God I get it next turn. Fool! It's kind of annoying, I guess, for him. Well, I didn't even look at my secrets. Never Surrender, Repentance, and Hidden Wisdom. All of the bad ones. The Divine Shield one worked out, but everything else was pretty bad. Actually might be able to destroy everything. We got Blade Flurry here, so this might actually work out. Maybe. Is that sorry, yeah, he has Reborn. Yeah, we can kill. Oh. Okay, well now we lost. I was like, oh, we can actually get rid of like 3 of them. And like 1 stays alive, but... Very cool. Very, very, very cool. I mean, yeah, let's just find the sign. Okay, you know, yeah.
Watch and learn.
I'm trying to think. I guess I could backstab this so it doesn't have Reborn. Okay. Spited Pigster with the 22 months. Welcome back for sticking around for so long, my dude. Thank you, thank you. Does means a lot, my good gamer friend. Merci beaucoup. Well, don't know if I want to play a minion or weapon. Oh, probably a minion, because like,
Choose soon.
okay, you fool. Enjoy it. Basically the nothing card. I kind of wish I hit it. Now I actually kind of wish I had a weapon so I could Blade Flurry and like trade and shit, but that doesn't work out now. There's no way I can get out of this, eh? Oh no, I guess I kind of can.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go.
This is so annoying though.
Here we go. Choose soon.
Still summons a boy and he's gonna get another one, but like, holy fuck. Okay, I'm actually surprised he did that. Very surprised he did that, honestly. Oh, we got another blade. I think we just want to Mecho Egg and Discover. Heal damage equal to your hero's attack to a minion. That's with a weapon, that's pretty good, actually. We have no taunt. So I guess we do that. This works a little bit with the weapon. Probably gonna get like a sick... Okay. So he's just gonna go in pure value then. Oh, that kind of sucks. Hey, thanks for the card draw, idiot. Still really bad though. Still really bad. I actually don't want to do a lot of anything here. I guess Vendetta hit this. Can trade into one of these or something and kill it again. 3, 4, 5.
Here we go.
Blade Failure is a bad idea. I don't think I'm able to keep up. What's, I guess, another random, it's a minion. I don't think there's any minion that saves me. I don't think there's any legendary that saves me either. If anything, I just gotta leave the board up and just go face. But that's not realistically gonna be happening. Sure. Sure. Oh god, pray for Deathwing. Oh yeah, Deathwing would actually be good. We could find Deathwing. We can indeed find him. Oh god. Okay, well. I think we just got to, boys. I don't see any other... I guess I could use this quickly. 7, 8, yeah? Tess? Princess. That's kind of bad though. At the same time. He's gonna have to trade his one minion in. Oh, I know, he doesn't have to actually. Oh god, this is such a... What do we get? I think we get more from Tess first, and then we play Princess, right? I think that's like the most value.
Here we go.
So let's try to do that, I guess. The Princess, we get we get the Armageddon thing. We get Rafam again. Yeah, we Tess first. This actually, yeah, this might be winnable, boys. Keyword is might. I've already played Kangor's army. Oh yeah, this plays Brawl, actually. So thankfully... Oh boy. We get Brawl from Tess. Which isn't the greatest, but... I mean, hopefully Brawl will play first, right? 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. He has 22. Yeah, there's way too much damage on board. Brawl, 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 brawl. Okay, it looks like we're going to cast Brawl last. There it is. After we got all of our minions out. Very cool. Okay, I'll take a Lifesteal boy.
Boys, look who it is.
Just killing my own boys. What do we got? Repentance, Redemption, an Eye for an Eye. Ooh. Cast Note of Secret, I think. Keep that.
Here we go.
That dies. Go face, I guess. Okay. There's the egg. Uh-oh, that's bad. Well, I guess that's okay if he buffs it. The question is, do I trade... They should play Undertaker in this deck. Or I could just pray to God and hope to outvalue him. I think we just pray to God and hope we outvalue him. Oh, cool. Yazara's not in there. Just what I wanted.
Show some respect.
Here we go.
Okay. They don't run board clears, do they? That'd be kind of bad. Ugh, there's the Annoyal boy. Which, granted, no matter if we traded all of them and left them big. Okay, we just need to break through. Sucks, but it's doable. Fool! Eye for an eye.
Your presence offends
And we got our life boy. I think we win this, actually.
Your presence offends me.
Well, kind of hoping Ysira came out, but... Yeah, that's game, I guess.
Well played.
Wow. I actually was like gonna forfeit this one. And we actually pulled through. See, this is why... Oh, wait, maybe not. Oh, no, yeah, we still... Wow. I think that was like the biggest comeback I've ever seen. At least out of all the games I've played. That was like a hopeless game. And we just pulled a good old Kibler and said, didn't even break a sweat. Let's go, boys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That did not save. There we go. I'll save that bit.